Alright, so the piece looks nice, but it actually is pretty worn out. So we're going to try to bring it to life. And by bringing it back to life, what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to save this top here. We're going to sand it, just get rid of all the bad spots in it. And then we're going to try to express stain the outside here. And then it's two different colors here. So we'll do a light brown stain here, and then we'll go back with another dark walnut stain here to kind of give us this match here. And we'll clean everything up, make it nice and clean. And then from down, we're going to paint. We're going to leave the inside the same color. What I've had to do is I've had to create a little block here that'll be stained as a post here, so when that door closes, it doesn't go all the way in like you've seen at the beginning of this video. So we'll put that there after we stain it. We're going to leave the inside the same color. There is some gap here, so what we'll be doing is pulling this all together nice and tight, gluing it tight after we sand it down and let it sit overnight. So we'll get a nice clean true line here. The only thing really you have to do here is take the door off of here. So just 2 hinges, and then we're pretty much got this piece torn apart and ready to start rebuilding it. So let's begin. Alright, I have some 120 grit, I have some 220. We're going to use the 220 on the top here because I don't want to go through any of the veneer or create any grain scratch damage here, since we're just going to basically sand slightly and then restain any spots that are pretty bad. So we'll do that, then we'll go to the 120 down here. Overall, really good shape, so all we're going to do is just kind of scuff it up so the paint will stick nice to it, and then we'll clean up the legs here a little bit. Outside that, it's going to be a pretty easy piece overall to redo. So let's start from the top, work our way down, then we can start gluing components of this together after we stain.
Let's go!
Okay, so we're just going to work our way from the inside out. Our main focus is on this last piece on the outside here. Everything else just kind of needs a little touch up, and then we can seal it. So we're going to start with dark walnut, summer's oak, and then we'll go to an ebony or an espresso here. So let's get started. Alright, we have it all taped up. We're not going to paint the back side, so we got that taped. And we've got our lip in here taped off. Everything else, get a couple coats of white, and we'll see how this piece comes out. So let's get started. Alright, we're almost done. We're just going to give it a nice antique finish, just real light sand over it, kind of make it look like it's worn in a little bit, just to match the quality in the top with of this piece. So I got 150 grit. Let's just kind of go over it nice and easy. Final step, got it all wiped down. Now what we can do is just start waxing it. Wax from the top, work our way down. We're even going to do the inside here a little bit. We'll get the door done too, get the hinges on it. Next time you see this, it'll be under the tree for final pictures. So let's get some wax on it. Alright, here it is completed. Nice little in-table buffet, whatever you want to kind of use it for. We kept the top original, just cleaned it up. Then we whitewashed it, or painted it, and then we scuffed it up with light scuff marks all over it, give it this nice vintage look. Kept the inside original. I think this piece came out pretty nice. If you like this and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, maybe even leave us a comment or two.